OnlyFans helps to protect the content of their creators. And in this video, we will analyze how this protection works and how effective it is. Let's look at some alternative methods of protection. But before diving into this question, let's answer another question. Why do we need to protect content? From whom to protect? And there are several reasons for this. The most common reason is that all of your photos, well, almost all of them, can be downloaded from the internet, posted somewhere on another account, on a social network, on our dating site, and then other accounts with your content will conduct activities on your behalf. Surely you have already heard about such cases or even personally faced this. I have friends who have gone through this, and this is a terrible situation when your double starts doing strange things or begging for money. Then it is not clear what victims are left to do. This is a really important reason. Another reason is when your paid photos suddenly become available for free on a third-party site or paid to another site, so you will not see this money. Yes, I understand perfectly well that it's a shame when someone profits from you, and this needs to be stopped. If this is not done, then this phenomenon will become more and more widespread, and we are all for honest business. Therefore, this reason is also important. Someone just wants to keep it a secret from their family, from loved ones, from friends, and this is a so-so reason why. If you enter this business, it's better to be honest about it. Sooner or later, secrets can always become clear or run into blackmail from ill-wishers. Remember that everything you put on the internet remains there, and it will be difficult to get rid of it. In general, this reason is less important, but you should still keep it in mind. Here are the three main reasons I single out as the main ones: double protection, free distribution, and personal privacy. And you, my dear friends, let me know in the comments why it is important for you to maintain privacy. What reasons seem important to you? Now, let's look at how OnlyFans protects your content. I hasten to say that these opportunities are changing, and I'm talking about what I've discovered so far. If you have more recent and up-to-date information, or more reliable methods of protection, then please write about it in the comments. This is important for me and for our YouTube community to know. I just want to draw your attention to the fact that all the content that you upload to OnlyFans belongs to OnlyFans. You, as a verified owner of the content, at the time of uploading, transfer a license to the full use of the content for free, and when publishing your photos and videos, OnlyFans manages at its own and so protects its own content within its own interests. Now you can clearly see what their interest is. To protect content, OnlyFans places a link to your OnlyFans profile. See what it looks like. If someone creates your double, then the link will show where these photos are actually taken from. Yes, great try, but look how easy it is to cut off. That's all. The protection is taken away without any hackers. And what does OnlyFans get? Traffic to your profile, sales from customers who manually retype this link and find the model's account. I think this is also a great way for creators to earn money. After all, this is an additional influx of subscribers. But is it even a sort of protection? Very doubtful. What can you actually do to protect your content when it's published on OnlyFans? There are two main ways. Google has a search by photo service. This service is not reliable enough, but it will give some results. And you can use a more professional search using a paid face search service. For example, Pim Eyes. Once you discover that your content has been stolen through OnlyFans, contact OnlyFans directly. After all, it's not only your content but their content too, and it's stolen through their platform, which is a violation of rights. That's all about protection on OnlyFans. Though I'd rather say this is not protection, but support for creators in protecting their own content. Can it be done better? Yeah, definitely. For example, watermark can be done better. Instead of placing it at the bottom of the photos, you can make it smaller but put it in several places. Go to a stock photo site and you'll see how it's done. Free content is protected this way, and just by looking at it, it is immediately clear that content suppliers want to protect themselves. Additionally, you can add the IP address and name of the client who downloaded this photo to the watermark. Usually, when a person realizes that everything is known about him by his IP, then the desire to break the law is significantly less. And in fact, this is enough. To make it invisible, you can use a neutral text color or make it semi-transparent, so the user will not be distracted and see that the content is protected. But if this is not enough, then there is an even better and more reliable protection service called Imatag. They add an invisible watermark that does not interfere with viewing photos, but at the same time, a special program can detect whose photos it is, by whom it was uploaded from where, and from what IP address. This information is enough to find a violator and bring charges against him. Let's just watch their promo video together.
This is Imatag, and it will change the way you see your content. Your business needs images and videos to communicate, promote, and sell products. But what happens to those visuals once you post them online? Are they copied? Shared? Are they used without your knowledge? Is this a sign of success or something to worry about? At Imatag, as experts in visual media protection, we developed a digital watermarking technology to answer these questions. Using our patented process, we discreetly place an imperceptible identifier at the pixel level of images or videos. This invisible watermark allows us to identify your content on the web, regardless if it has been resized, cropped, or trimmed, posted on social media, or copied via a screenshot. Our process allows us to find, recognize, and identify your content anywhere on the web. Your visual content are your business front lines. Protect them with Imatag.
We're going to link up the video about Imatag to the video description down below. For you, we can create a platform like ONLYFANS, which will be more creator-friendly, and integrate into it such a protection system that you choose. This could be a more detailed watermark or hidden Imatag protection. Or, in the future, there will be new services that you, as the owner of the platform, will be able to integrate or develop with our team. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and bye!